tutorial is setter injection, write some code part 2. In the previous tutorial we have seen the setter injection, the first development process. What is the first development process? That is to create setter methods in your class for injections. And now what we are doing is to configure the dependency injection in Spring configuration file. So the first thing what we need to do here, it is go to the configuration file, application context.xml. So this is the configuration file. Here I'm creating one bean. So go to the application context.xml. There you have to define one bean. So define one bean. Bean id is equal to cricket cricket coach, and the name of the class is, we already know that how to get the fully qualified name of the class by going to the specific class, in this case cricket coach, and select this cricket coach class. And you can just right click on that selected content, and just select the option copy qualified name. So what it will do is it will be copying the complete path, including the package, like this: com.love2code.spring-demo cricket coach. So save this, and what is the next step? It is to set up setter injection. To set up the setter injection, so let me comment that set up the setter injection. Set up the setter injection. How we are doing that? It is by using the property tag. By using the property tag, the name of the property tag, it is the fortune service. Just fortune service. So what it will do is it will be calling the setter method in our cricket coach class. This will be invoking the setter method in the cricket coach class. Now the reference, so what I'm giving it is my fortune. The my fortune, it is this one, my fortune. The id, it is reference id, it is my fortune. My fortune, and we can close this like this. Save this. Okay, this is it for configuring the dependency setter injection in the what is that development process. Configure the dependency injection in Spring configuration file. So what is the next step that we have to do is to create one class called setter demo app. Setter demo app. So double click on this tab, right click on the package, select new and select class setter demo app. The name of the class it is setter demo app, and here I'm choosing to include the main method and just clicking on the finish button. That's it. Removing the auto generated stuff. Now what are the process um, in the previous videos we have seen? Load the configuration file, load the Spring configuration file, then retrieve the bean from the from the Spring container. Retrieve the bean from the Spring container. Call methods on the bean. Then at last we are closing the context. So first step it is to load the Spring configuration file. So what is that process? Class path application class path XML application context is equal to new class path XML application context. So here we are supplying the name of the configuration file, that is application context dot xml, ending with a semicolon, and you are getting a red mark because we need to import this class from the appropriate package. Hover over on this error and you can just click on import class path xml application context class from the appropriate package. The next step is to retrieve the bean from the Spring container. So here cricket coach, the coach, okay, is equal to context dot get in. So here what I'm passing is whatever it was in the application context, um, get bean. So in this case we need to pass the cricket coach, okay, this one cricket coach we need to pass id bean id, that is cricket coach, and the implementation class without giving any double quotes, that is cricket coach dot class, okay, semicolon. So let's call the methods on the bean. So syso control space and the coach dot get daily workout, and next one to get the daily, to get the fortune, syso control space the coach dot get daily fortune. Save it, and at last you need to close the context, that is by context dot close method. Save it. Now right click on the setter demo app and run as Java application. So what we are getting here as the output, that is, so we are getting exception, no such bean definition exception named cricket coach available. So okay, in the configuration file, okay, I have typo here. So it is coach. Save this. I have missed a. Save. Now come back to the setter demo app and right click on this setter demo app, run as Java application. Let's see whether it is corrected or not. So what we are getting in the console, that is, we are getting null for get a daily workout and get a daily fortune. So here, mm, we are getting the null here. So let me change it to the fortune service and um, fortune service in the setter and come back here and run as Java application. Let's see whether it is okay or not. So still we are getting null and null. So here, mm, cricket coach, and come to the cricket coach. So what is the mistake here we have done? The cricket coach. Okay, here what we are getting, we are getting here, in the cricket coach, we had to return some value. I left it for the default. Okay, that is why we were getting the default value, that is null. So here, get a daily workout, in this case what I'm passing here, it is at least fast bowling for 15 minutes, at least fast bowling for 15 minutes and removing auto generated code, and here get daily fortune service dot get fortune. Okay, save it, come back to setter demo app, Right click on this setter demo app, run as, click Java application. So now what we are getting the proper output. So we are initially getting cricket coach inside no argument constructor. There is a typo here, sorry for that. And then we are it is invoking the setter injection. Okay, it is doing the setter injection. So that is why we are getting cricket coach inside the setter method set fortune service. Okay, then we have invoked two methods, that is get a daily workout and get daily fortune. So we are getting practice fast bowling for 15 minutes, then we are getting today is your lucky day. Okay, this is it for this video tutorial, and we will see next development process in the next video tutorial. Thank you.